Hi, welcome back on the Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your HTC Desire 530. The operation is easy to do and helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, you need to turn off our device, and after that press and hold volume down and power button together. Keep pressing both key. Still. Release. Now press volume down to reboot in bootloader here and accept by power. Okay, and now go down, boot to recovery mode, accept by power. Okay, and now press power button and volume up. Okay, and now choice wipe data factory reset here, accept by power and yes. Okay, you can also do the wipe cache partition if you wish. And now reboot system now, and now phone gonna be reset with the new brand firmware without any password on the phone, and that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.